Well, you thought you heard everything, but assault by baby carrot? Well, a Virginia teen facing assault and battery charges for throwing a baby carrot at a teacher. 14-year-old Aaliyah May says she threw it in the hallway as a joke. But after the snack-sized vegetable hit the teacher in the forehead, Moody Middle School officials claimed the 2-inch carrot was used as a weapon. So, should the 14-year-old really be charged with a crime? Here debate is defense attorney David Schwartz and former prosecutor David Bruno. Gentlemen, thank you very much.
Good morning.
All right, so baby carrot in the hallway, your take. Is this assault?
It is. It technically does fit the definition. This is a juvenile allegation. This is not the crime of the century, but it is set up where when you throw something at a teacher, when you intend to cause injury, it fits the definition of assault. We're not going to be hitting flies with sledgehammers here. There's going to be programs and other options, but yes, it should be prosecuted.
Is this an instance of sort of zero tolerance gone too far? I mean, really, a carrot is a weapon?
I don't know where we've gone in society here, but schools should be able to govern themselves. There's an administrative remedy here. Not everything is a police matter. Everything has become a police matter in society. This is a school, this is a child, needs to be disciplined, needs to be suspended, but certainly not charged with assault by the state.
Why was it brought to the police level, do you believe?
Well, it's deterrence. We certainly can't have this happening in schools.
So couldn't a school deter it, though? A principal authority?
It can, and it's being handled with the school as well.
Sure.
But certainly there's a juvenile system set up for rehabilitation. Maybe this individual needs some counseling. And, yeah, it's appropriate.
It's appropriate. So you think baby carrot appropriate, criminal charges, assault?
It's inappropriate in so many ways because we already have an overcrowded criminal justice system. Now we're going to take resources for the baby carrot case? No, it's ridiculous. The school should handle it, and that's it.
All right, we've got another school-related story here I want to ask you two gentlemen about. We've got a teacher in Utah. She's under fire right now for posting bodybuilding bikini shots on Facebook. Should there be a limit on what you can post online without employer punishment? So the school, there was significant backlash as students and parents reported these photos were up that a teacher had posted who's a bodybuilder. We have some photos up on the screen that some thought were inappropriate. Should the school be taking action, David, in this case?
No, they shouldn't. And generally speaking, if it's an at-will employment, if it's not a school situation where there's a collective bargaining agreement, yeah, the employer could take action. But specifically here, there's a contract that's at play, and she has rights. She hasn't committed a crime, and there's no reason to terminate her.
Yeah, it all depends on the community in which you live. I'm a product of the New York City school system. It wouldn't be offensive here. But in Utah, it may be offensive to that community, and you have to protect the other teachers, you have to protect the students, you have to protect the parents in this world. And certainly, there should be some sort of discipline if it's an offensive act to the community.
Both of you as lawyers, have you seen more and more of this, schools and blurred lines, online postings, things like that, briefly?
Yeah, but listen, for teachers, we're talking about teachers, and because there's a contract here, if they're not committing a crime, there should be no reason to take discipline.
And just on that, you know, there's too much protection for teachers. You know, if you're just an employee somewhere else, you could be fired for something like that. But we have all these protections for teachers because it's another class.
A lot of sensitivities with kids and others on subjects like this. She ultimately ended up keeping her job. Gentlemen, thanks a lot for being here. A couple of great debates.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. All right, could...